What if your vinyl collection could sound 10x better with one tiny box? Dramatic pause. I tested the top 5 Phono Preamps of 2025, and number 3 unlocked details I'd never heard before. Pause. Is it the Budget King? The tube-powered beast? Stick around, because the winner costs less than you think. Links in description. Let's spin the truth. Number 1. Cambridge Audio Alva Duo. We genuinely can't think of a preamp that offers this much for under $500. It's not just the fact that the Cambridge Audio Alva Duo sounds great, with excellent dynamic range. It's also the clever features that you won't find on other Phono preamps. These include a headphone amp, which is almost unheard of on Phono stages. Certainly, no other model here can deliver it. The Alva Duo offers support for both MM and MC cartridges, which makes integrating it a cinch. And we appreciate the small touches, like the fact that the labels for the connections on the rear are written both right way up and upside down, so you can read them while leaning over the back. That's genuinely clever. Impressively, the Alva Duo packs in all these features and while looking sleek and modern. While the Cambridge Audio Alva Duo offers excellent dynamics and stereo spread, we did find that the sound quality lacked a little punch. It didn't give us the visceral connection that other similarly priced preamps offer. As an example, the $399 Pro-Ject Phono Box S2 mm/MC sounded much more energetic, and even the Schiit Mani 2 has a little more drive and oomph. However, in terms of combining, mostly, good sound with excellent features and a competitive price tag, we think the Alva Duo is a winner. Number 2. Schiit Mani 2 Phono. Schiit's all-new Mani 2 sets the standard for performance and capability in an affordable phono stage. Super low noise and high RIA accuracy. Gain, choose 35, 45, 50, or 60 dB of gain, for virtually any cartridge from Decca to low-output MC and MI models. Loading, choose 47K Omega, 200 ohms, 47 ohms, or 38 ohms, and 47 PF, 100 PF, 150 PF, or 200 PF for virtually any MM, MC, or MI cartridge. Filter, choose 6 dB per octave or 12 dB per octave of purely passive low-frequency filtering, at 15 Hz, to help with warped records or other subsonic problems. Designed and built in TX, USA. 115 VAC only. USA plug. Suitable for use in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Will not work in 220, 240V countries. Number 3. NAD PP 2E Phono Preamplifier. The PP2E Phono Preamplifier offers superb performance in a clean and simple package. Perfect for the budget-conscious audiophile, the PP2E's moving coil/moving magnet input selector provides different phono cartridge options. This allows the PP2E to be paired with any turntable, giving consumers unlimited choice in building their system. The PP2E's auto power down feature saves energy by automatically powering the PP2E to OFF when not in use. Built to be the best companion to one's turntable setup, the PP2E breathes life back into the vinyl you love. Number 4. Pro-Ject Phono Box S2. Replacing the ever-popular Phono Box DS and DS Plus, the newly released Pro-Ject S2 Ultra is very closely related to the limited edition Phono Box Ultra 500. Amazingly, that came about as a token of appreciation to Pro-Ject customers, after reported sales of 500,000 Phono Box units. Just like their line of turntables, Pro-Ject's catalog of Phono Preamps continues to grow. If you felt slightly overwhelmed by the number of Phono stage choices on their website, you won't be the only one. In simple terms, the S line of products offers a great value for money, and the new S2 Ultra bridges the gap between affordable and audiophile. What's unique about the Ultra, and especially at this price point, is its op-amp-less design. Operational amplifiers, also known as op-amps, are circuit components widely used to boost the whisper-quiet cartridge signals. These type of circuits have a specific sound, and this is what Pro-Ject have decided to shift away from. Employing a fully discrete layout, no doubt borrowed from their more expensive models, Pro-Ject seem to have achieved something altogether classier sounding. The use of polystyrene capacitors, for instance, is a contributing factor to the silky highs, and the response from listeners has been amazing already. The S2 Ultra is incredibly closely attuned to the famed RIA frequency curve, and just like with the Vielectric at number 8, it features a multitude of dip switches for adjustment of signal impedance, capacitance, and gain. Pro-Ject seem very proud of the S2 Ultra's incredibly harmonious sound, and we agree they have a point. Number 5. iFi Audio Zen Phono. The folks at iFi Audio have completely redesigned their product lines lately, and the new Zen Phono is certainly eye-catching, with a simple design and full-bodied, warm sound. While, on balance, we prefer the Schiit Mani 2, which we think has a touch more life and energy to it at a lower price, there's no denying that the quality of the audio from the Zen Phono is excellent. There's even a filter available to deal with slightly warped records. You get a good range of settings on the Zen Phono depending on whether you use MM or MC cartridges. However, this does highlight the preamp's one big weak spot. It has fixed loads depending on the gain, and if you run a low output cartridge such as one from Audiophile, you may not get the results you want. That, plus the fact that there are a huge number of excellent competitors at this price point, mean that the Zen Phono is a good, but not spectacular phono preamp. So, which preamp would you pair with your turntable? Pause, drop your pick below. If this helped you hear vinyl like never before, smash that like button, share with a fellow collector, and subscribe for more audio gems. All purchase links? You know where, description below. Until next time, keep those records spinning.